Okay guys, in my bowl here, I have a total of 8 cups of water, and now I'm going to go in with a half a cup of white distilled vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not going to work for this trick because apple cider vinegar do not do all of what white distilled vinegar can do, and this right here is one of them. So after we go in with that half a cup to our 8 cups of water, go ahead and give it a good mix to disperse that vinegar all throughout your water. So now I'm going to go in with my first piece of chicken, and you would instantly start to see whatever film that was on your chicken that gave it that odor is coming off. Do you guys see that? It is instantly being lifted off of there. My grandmother actually taught me this trick. When I was younger, I actually saw my aunt do this a few times because back then, they really didn't have it like that to just throw the food away that they smelled, and it kind of had a little odor to it. So they really didn't have it like that to just throw it out and go buy more. So they did what they could to pretty much salvage their food, and this was one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and just give this a good mix, and you can instantly see the rest of that film or whatever that was giving my chicken that odor is coming off. So like I said, guys, this trick will only work if your chicken has been in the fridge maybe a day too long than what it should have been. If it's been in there longer and it got an odor that you can't tolerate, this trick right here will not work, just a FYI. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue to give this a good mix for another minute or so, and I'm going to let it sit. And as it sits, all of that, whatever is on your chicken, is going to float to the top of the water. And you can also see there my chicken is also getting its nice pretty pink color back, which is what you want. But like I said, go ahead and just let this sit. And as it sits, that film is going to float to the top of the water, and it's going to pretty much look like this right here. We're going to go ahead and just rinse that off, and just go ahead and season your chicken and cook your chicken, or do whatever you were going to do with your chicken that you forgot about in the fridge. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope this video helped those of you that left chicken in the fridge and didn't know what to do with it. If you guys enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care.